tutorial, we will continue from where we stopped from the previous tutorial. So now we are going to create the outcome visualization. This part is very simple. So first, need to click on this black page here. Then we add a slicer, drag and drop it there. Now what will be on this slicer? It will be our what year from these World Cup matches. So scroll down till you see it. Change it from what list to what drop down. Click on this blank page now. Let's add another what slicer. So what will be in this slicer here? It will be the stage. Can you see that now? It will be the stage. This should be what list. It will be in list, not drop down. So we need to go to this format button here. Click on selection control. Switch off this multi select and switch on this what single select. You need to switch it on because we are clicking once. Can you see that now? So now we need to add another visual. But first, you have to do what? Go to the Power Query. So we click on what? Transform data. Click on transform data here. Then go to the what? The transform query and the Power Query rather. Go to this World Cup matches. Then we hold our home team goals and away team goals. Use our control key to do that. It is home team goals and away team goals. So we want to merge the two columns together. So click on the separator. Should be custom. Then there is a space that says 1, 2, then a dash, another 1 and 2. Can you see that? Let me do that again. Click on the separator, then custom, then click on what? Dash and the space bar 1, 2. Sorry, custom tab on the space bar 1, 2, then hyphen 1 and 2. So the name of the column should be what? Let's say outcome. Click on OK. So wait for it to load. I will click on what? Apply. And you see that now this is the outcome. Click on what? Apply. So now let's add a table. What will be inside the table now? It will be what? The match and the outcome. There's the outcome column. This here. Now, if I filter it, let's say for the year 1930, I want to know the final results, which final state. That is, the match was in between Uruguay and Argentina, and it ended 4-2 in favor of Uruguay. Can you see that now? I want to know this semi-final results. Can you see that now? Let's say, for instance, I want to filter it to 2014, and I want to know the final match. Final match was in between what Germany and Argentina, and it ended in favor of Germany, which is what 1-0. So now let's insert our logo. We need to go to what our insert tab, click on image. We've added it. Can you see? And as well change the background of this. Let's change it to gold. Can do this. Change it to gold as well for this. Then the values and the item in between should be, let's say, background should be black. Then the font color should be white. Can you see that? So we should be able to do this as well based on the previous tutorial. So you can walk around this, like play around this format button here. Let's change the background for this as well. So you can just play around this. Work on the format button. It's very simple. Add the text box. Can you see that? Add the text box to it. So, and make sure it looks like this format, this one that I'm showing you.